Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Mac has camera and microphone permissions enabled. This avoids permission prompts mid-task. Once done, open Chrome or the Google Photos app. Lens works through Chrome and some Google apps, so you'll need one of them. Upload or display the image you want analyzed, or point your webcam at the subject. Then right-click the image or select the lens icon in Photos. This first action hands control to Lens so it can identify text, objects, and links. Once Lens is active, you'll refine the area to analyze. Click and drag to crop to the text or object you care about, because Lens performs better on focused regions. Then choose from suggested actions. Copy text to clipboard, search for similar items, or translate phrases, depending on your goal. Make sure to switch languages or enable handwriting mode if needed, because accuracy changes with input type. Use the sidebar results to open links, save items to Google Drive, or iterate with a new crop. To finish, copy or export the information Lens found. Paste recognized text into your document, download or save images to Drive, or share results by right-clicking and sending via mail or chat. Make sure you review extracted text for OCR errors and correct punctuation or formatting before using it. If Lens struggles, restart Chrome or the app, confirm camera and site permissions, clear cache, or provide a higher resolution image. This fixes most recognition issues quickly and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.